Hello and welcome back to Phil's Drone Zone. Lately I've been watching a TV series called Zoo on Netflix, which is about a team of people from different backgrounds who are tasked to solve a problem of what seems to be animals fighting back against the humans. It's kind of corny, but I like it. Throughout the series and each episode, though, as they change location in the world, they do this change with variations of this fly-through title effect. So I thought I'd have a look to see if I could do it in Final Cut Pro. And you can, but you do need a fly-through title in order to do this. Now, Final Cut Pro does not provide one of these. So in an earlier video I created one which you can use, and once you've installed that in your titles folder, you're good to go, and you'll be able to create this and other fly-through title effects. I'll leave a link in the description below to the video where you can go and download this basic fly-through title, and then we're good to go. Okay, so let's get on and see how they did this. Okay, so I've brought in my 2 video clips and I've added the title plus some sound effects and a little bit of music, and now we're ready and good to go. I've already positioned and scaled the title to taste because I'm going to be making a few cuts and I don't want to be scaling and positioning after I've made the cuts. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do that little plain title lead in. So we're just going to blade the title and we're just going to overlay the title over the main bottom clip. And to get it to zoom in, I'm just going to find the first frame, go to my text parameters box up here, and then I'm going to keyframe all those and set the Z scale to -6500. And then I'm going to jump in 20 frames, shift and right arrow key twice, and I'm going to set that back to 0. And then I've created that little zoom in section of the title, and then it just runs for a second or so in plain white. And next I'm going to work on the main fly-through effect, and so I'm going to take my title and go to parameters and change the blend mode to stencil alpha, and then you've got the top clip showing through the title itself. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my text parameter box now to keyframe the fly-through effect. So I'm just going to jump forward a second or so to about there, and then I'm going to keyframe everything, and I'm going to move the title now through Z space. I'm going to jump about 90 frames a second and a half, and then I'm just going to drag the title towards me in Z space. I'm going to line up on the x-axis as well to center it, and then I'm just going to pull it through until the whole of the top clip is showing, and there you go. So that's that done, and now we have the fly-through effect. Now I need to blade the title clip and the top clip, and then I'm going to create from those 2 middle pieces a compound clip. So create new compound clip, click OK, and then now you've got the fly-through effect happening over the top of the bottom clip. And now I just need to delete the rest of the title, or blade the top clip there, and I'm just going to move that out of the way while I get rid of the generator that's been created, and now I'll bring the rest of the top clip down to the main timeline. And that's it, it's done. And we have this wonderful fly-through effect, which I think is very imaginative. I think Zoo did a fantastic job with this. and you are able to recreate it in Final Cut Pro. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget you can download the basic fly-through title effect from the link that I've left in the description. If you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can stay updated when I upload future videos. And all that remains to be said now is see you in the next video.